Hello, here we have an unboxing and demonstration of the Proporta Mizu shell. This one in particular is for the Google Nexus S, but the principle remains the same for other smartphone devices for which this case is manufactured. This is the charcoal version. It does come in other colours, most specifically red. So it comes in the official Proporta packaging, but if we actually take it out here, remove the packaging contents, we get the Mizu shell itself. The Mizu shell is really a thick silicone skin, but it's made of thermoplastic. So we can see that this charcoal version is slightly transparent or translucent. It's got the Proporta branding on the back. We've got cutouts for the device camera and speakerphone, but everything else is covered apart from on the bottom. We've got cutouts for the charging port and headphone jack, so it's designed that when the device is in the case you can still use it without restriction. So let's bring in a Nexus S. So this principle applies for many other smartphones, just be designed for your particular device. You've got to pop it in there, a bit harder than it is to put into a silicone skin because it's not quite so flexible, but once it's in, you've got the full screen exposed for use. It's not protected anyway, so you might want to put a screen protector on there. The case itself is raised slightly but still fairly flush with the screen, so when on a surface it doesn't really act as a barrier in any shape or form. So you've got the sides of the device covered on this example. Where was the camera button, that's now covered with a piece of plastic, but you can still use the key and you get a satisfactory press there. On the back you've got the cutout for the camera. You can see the branding. It's actually quite shiny, this plastic, and it looks quite slippy and almost feels quite slippy, but surprisingly when it's in the hand it doesn't. It takes quite a steep angle for it actually to slip out, and you can quite happily grip onto it. Cutouts on the bottom for the charging port and headphone jack. So that's the Proporta Mizu shell in charcoal, but available in other colours for a range of smartphone devices online at clove.co.uk.